So why is it I'm getting different size fan patterns? So we are starting with a training tip, okay? Just like as if you were an apprentice. Okay, what we've done is we've given you an opportunity to build up on your knowledge and your experience as we slowly go through these little tasks. A 311, remind me, how big is the fan pattern? 6 inch. We take the 3, we double it, we get 6 inch. So why is it I'm getting different size fan patterns? Distance. So distance dictates the size of the fan pattern. The 6 inch fan pattern is roughly a hand's width. All right, this is 12 inches. It's governed by the size of the tip, but it's also governed by the paint and the pressure. But we find rule of thumb, hand's width. So anywhere between 8 and 12 inch.